Hello friends, this is Jobin. We are creating another beautiful episode of Laflux tutorials. In this tutorials I would like to cover up some features of our CRUD management systems. You can see that every modules every packages we delivered is managed with the same layouts like a toolbars at the tops and a filtering sections here and a listings. This listings also comes with many features like ordering, paginations and quick search. Also the tashed items can be retrieved from database or it can be permanently deleted from database. So these features are easy to build. Suppose you need a new listing page like this and all its features, you can just build it in within half an hour. So easily we can make this kind of CRUD management systems. So in this tutorials I will explain how we can create such a beautiful features to an existing components. This is an AMC management modules that I'm currently working on. In that this module will be available soon to the market. And this is the features of managing the AMC systems. Suppose we can add clients, manage the AMC means assigning clients to the periodic frequency and kind of things, and AMC history, service history can be assigned. Another things I can do is with the calendar. There is a beautiful calendar is available. I can create some events on the calendar and mark it as for other employees visibilities. And another is projects. Here I can add manage employee systems, and also I need to create projects. The projects should be assigned to employees. So what I'm trying to create is that migration table. I created an up and down functions. Inside I created projects. I have actually project ID, project name and descriptions, remarks and status, and our common timestamps and soft deletes. The first thing I have to create is just run our migrations. Yeah, PHP artisan venture publish. Yes, when I publish it I can just migrate. Yes, the table is already created. I can see it in here. Yes, projects table is created with whatever field we are given. There is one primary key and one unique key. Yeah, that's it. That's for now it's required. And the next thing we need a left side menu for our administrator panel that should be managed from events admin menu. This should be capable of creating new menus to the project panel. This is the parent menu of projects, so I can just copy this and replicate, and I am giving it as number 1 to the ID, and link should be projects. Okay, then there is another important thing is the Acl key. This is the key for we are managing each listing. So this key is very important in this case. Then only the Acl management systems works perfectly. Here I can manage projects. This is a title and this is the key. Yeah. Now you can just go to the admin panel, access permission system. I'm just logged as super admin, so I can see that a new menu is appeared, manage projects. I can just sit as this and gives all the permissions and just save it. Yes, now it's came under manage employees. Actually I just needs the preferences projects is the first, so I'm just giving it as first and this one is second. So after saying this I can see the order is get changed, projects is getting first. Okay, now what? Now the simplest things, we created the table, and the second steps we created a menu admin. So the next step we have to create a table structure for these things. So I'm just saving this, the new AMC details is the existing table, so I'm just saving it as a our projects, the new one. I'm just save as test projects, so I can projects. Okay, projects. Here also manage projects. Yes, the table name should be this one. Also the model name should be projects. Okay, here are the few important things for our listings. One is override views. This override view represents each listing. In this case, we can just check out this. Yeah, in this each listings, the default layout will be this one. That means our core components, one of the view is extending to this. So in that case, the employee titles and these things, toolbars and even filter options and the basic standards will be available for all the layouts you are creating new. Suppose you need to override the entire structure, something like manage calendar. This is entirely different view. So in that case, you can use our these features like override view. Custom view can be specified like this. This layout will be rendered in that case. Otherwise, just required parameters, titles and other things. The listables. The listables are the fields that is available in this basic listing. So in our case, we need project ID, right? Yes, project ID we need to list. Just putting project ID, project ID. Then I need project name. Yeah, project name, project name. Then should be description. Yeah, description is also required. Description. Then these are the rest of the things I don't need here. Yes. Okay, toolbars. What are the toolbars I required? I need show, add, all kind of things. Basically all the toolbars I required. Another thing is root. Yeah, this is AMC roots. That is we are save as the current records. So in this I am just replacing this with projects. I'm just replacing all the instance of this with new our projects. Okay, this is advanced filter options. At this stage we don't need these things, or just keep it as it is and we can just alter that later. Okay, so I need trashed and kind of things. Okay, all the things. Okay, now we just need to think about the client is not required here. At any stage we just need the trashed and this thing status. Yeah, filter option only trashed status and filter option is required. So here also these things is not required. Yeah, table will be projects. There is no need of alias. And this can also removed. This, and I can just create whatever fields I needed. ID must be selected for bulk actions. Next, projects ID, project underscore name, description, then status. Yeah, these are the fields I required: project ID, project name, description and status. Yeah, those are the things. And trashed is required. Clients, these two things are not required. Also the start date and end date is not relevant here. Filter status and filter trashed is only required. Search should be work with the project name. Yes, project underscore name. Deleted should be this thing, status should be this thing, and this does not record here. Okay, now we are good to go. These are the only things required for our proper structuring of table listing, and the table listing represents here this view. So next thing we have to do is we have to create a model file, because the model instance we already using from here. So the next folder we have to travel is this thing, model. I'm just saving as it is projects. I'm just replacing all the instance with the capital P and replace all. Yes, table name should be projects. That's it. Now the fillable things. Yeah, fillable we need project ID, project name, description, and remark and status. Yes, remark and status. Is there any other fields required? No, just this much. Okay, so I'm also writing a just get projects method. This is actually useful for getting all the projects name in a drop downs. In another case we can use it as for a different purpose, like suppose assigning the projects to employees. At that stage I need this thing, so I can create a drop down from using this method. This prevent relation breaking, get relation status. This is another method can be used to apply this function triggered getting the bulk actions like trash, inactive, active. Before using these actions we can trigger these methods and prevent it. If we return 1 means the action will be prevented. Suppose some related these things like what some related records is found in the DB. In that case we can just deny the removal or unpublishing for preventing relation breaking, like foreign keys and whatever things. Yeah, now we have a table file which has all the things and a model file. Yes, now we can just go to our command line and new file should be get indexed with our management tools, and just I can do it with whatever, like, yeah, there is some issues that I can check. Yeah, source inside the source, not source console. You can check whatever column not found, I deleted it. Yeah, somewhere I forgot to change the deleted it. Yeah, there is, there we go. Here we go. Yeah, now it's good to go. It has project ID, project name, description, and status. That's it. These are the filters that we are already accessing from this layout, but where it is, yeah, from this layout, but this layout is not relevant here, that we can modify later. First we have to create the existing workflows of entire listing. So the listing is ready, then we just need add, edit, and these actions. So the next thing we have to do is once first created the tables, then the models, and then we have to create a routes. In these routes I'm just creating projects, and I'm just renaming all the names of AMC details with the projects. Yes, I'm just replacing all the instances with this, and all the AMC controller I should be replaced with the projects controller. Make sure the case sensitiveness, and just also this I should be replaced with projects. Yes, I just replaced it with projects. Now I have projects and everything perfect. Just check out these things. A few explanations. Middlewares. The middlewares is the ACL management tools that actually restrict the permission management of unauthorized access. Here we are using an alias that is for redirection kind of things. We using, instead of links, we use this thing. Okay, the next thing we have to take care is the controller and method functions. Okay, so we have our roots, and next thing we have to do is first we have did migrations, next tables and models, then we have roots. Now validators. Yes, validators are easy for putting some validations like projects. I'm putting projects validation, projects validation. Yes, what are the fields I have to validate is, these are the fields I have. Project ID, that should be unique with the table projects. Then I need project name, that should be required, and maximum 255 characters. Yes, then status is required, and these are the things required. Status required, remarks, descriptions, those are not required actually, so I can just avoid those things. That is not necessary because it's nullable in our table also. I think description is not nullable, right? No, it's okay. So what is this attachments? In every views we are using here, suppose we consider AMC management, I can close this. In that I just added, here is an attachment options that is required for this project, so I can just add as many attachments. Actually it's using a separate tables called attachments, so that is also required here also. That's why I just using these things. So in fact I can use this for this purpose. Okay, this validation can be used as attachments, and I just need these things instead of here. Also this, the project ID is the unique key. It's projects table, projects ID should be AMC. Instead of AMC I should use projects. This is projects and its ID. No, not its ID, project underscore ID. This should be the unique check. In projects tables, ID field which comparing with the project's ID, so it should be unique. Project name required and this kind of things. Okay, now the validations are looks perfect. Now we just need to move to views. Okay, inside the views, AMC details forms or client forms, any forms I can just take it. Is I'm just using client forms with the projects form. Yes, just saving it as projects form. I can replace all the instance of clients with the small letter projects. Yes, small letter projects. I'm just replacing it. All the place it gets replaced. Yeah, first thing is client code. I should replace it with what? Project ID. This should be unique. Yes, I just replaced all the things with project ID. I have project ID right now, project ID or code. The next thing is project name. Should replace it with the project name. Yes, now this will be project. these are the required fields. Now just think about project name and description and remarks. Yes, description, I can just replace it as description. Okay, I'm just replacing it as description, and the label also getting just changed to description. Yes, I'm just changing it to description. Now what I need is remarks. Remarks must be here already. Yes, here it is. So I'm just removing all the unnecessary fields here are up to this. I'm just removing it. I can just put this to upper row. Yes, now the remarks, after the description the remarks will comes, and the next is status. After the status there is an attachment sections. മറ്റേ മോട്ടർ അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അത് ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് തിരിച്ച് കയറും വെള്ളം. അത് ഓഫ് ആക്കി. അത് മതി, അത് മതി. Okay, now we have projects ID and kind of things. These actually do pretty good jobs with projects attachment tables. It's collecting all the things from project methods, and this type will be, we have to create as projects. It's for clients, it's used as clients, that's it. For example, I can show you some details like this. Suppose I just need to edit. If there is any attachments, this attachment table will comes here, and its type will be clients, and that I just change it to projects here. Okay, now the attachments things is pretty cool, and the corresponding removal actions and kind of things that is already connected. So I'm just not bothering it again. I have to check the views. The views is ready. Now I just need a controller. The view is ready, validator is ready, table is ready, root is ready, and model is ready, events is ready for admin menus, and database migration is already brought on. Then I have the final things, the controller. Yes, instead of AMC controller I just need projects controller. Yes, make sure the projects controller name and our project root, this should be matched, otherwise it will be an issue. Yes, projects controller. Here AMC validations I can replace with projects validation. I can replace it with projects validation, and AMC details is the model name. This model I can replace with projects. Yes, so this method, suppose check that this method is makes sense here, it's correct, so there is no issue with that. Add new AMC. Instead of this AMC I can replace with projects. Now everything is okay, and the form, yes, AMC details form should be replaced to projects form. Just replacing that too. Yeah, just check add methods, add new projects, and project title is going to there, save projects. In that save projects, first we need to call the validator functions and make request of new project validation. New project validation is here, and project validation functions get rule will be triggered from here. Get rule method will be calling from here, so it will be works. After the validation is fails, then these things will be returned. So small AMC should be replaced with small projects. Yes, now the things for access tokens and kind of things, and the datas. Yes, client ID should be replaced with project ID. Yes, I'm just using project ID here, and unnecessary data, so I'm just removing it, and I need a project name, project underscore name. Yes, project name, remarks. Also I just need description. Yes, now everything is good, and I just need to project ID, that should be unique, and project name, that should be there, and description, that should be there, and remarks. Yes, after that remarks and status. So I can just remove the rest of the things. Yeah, this is actually for file validations, and we also put as type file projects, so these projects will be saved in that sections, and this is after the saving the message with details added successfully, and it will redirect into our list. So this URL should be matched here. This is the URLs as of we just copying and pasting the things, so there is no difference in these things. Actually the URL, yeah, actually it's should be works fine. Now the things with the create option is done. Now I have edit profiles. Edit profiles is pretty similar to this, and it works very well, and view projects, that is also similar. Now update conditions, and this update conditions I can create this project ID and project ID. These are two different things. One is the primary keys of the table, and another is our project ID for some input they can provide. And another thing is here also the MIMEs validations kind of things, and extensions of edit project IDs, fails or conditions, attachments conditions, and things. Now I just need an update. Where is our method for update? Yeah, these are the fields I have to update. So after the attachment publishing, I can just update from here. Here the conditions are there. Okay, now let's check how it's work. Yes, is it works, or some other commands we need to do anything else? Okay, now we have our projects window here. Yes, manage project, advanced search filter is not relevant here yet, but project ID, project name, descriptions, and status, I just add it. Yes, I have a project ID, project name, descriptions, and remark. Oh, just note that description is not mandatory here, but I accidentally put the asterisks. Yes, the remarks, not this one. Yeah, this one is not required there, so I'm just cutting it, and I'm just using this thing. Yep, now it's good. Project ID, project name, description, remarks, and status, and here our beautiful attachment system. Okay, first thing I just need a project ID as P123, and project name as test, and descriptions as test, and just submitting it. Project ID must be number. Oh yeah, it should be a number. In that case I just forgot, it's just number. Yeah, okay. Just add. You can see that that project ID is listed here. I can just click it, activate. Oh, it's already activate, so there is no mission for. Yeah, it's get inactivate. If I just need to republish again, I can do activate. Yes, what about the view? View here, it's there, it's already showing everything, and suppose I need to edit it to something else like 4, 5, 6, 6, just save it. Yes, it's get updated, and also it's search with project name, right? Yeah, search test. Yeah, it's also searching with project name. Now the trash functionality, that also we can test. Trash. Okay, I am trashing it. Yeah, the record gets deleted, and the record will be in the available trash list. I can just restore it or permanently remove it. Yes, I'm just restoring it. So all the basic functionalities of these things are right now working fine. Now I just need these filter things to be sorted out. Yes, this is also easy. As per now, our projects table, not this one, actually this one. Yes, in this one, actually this is the layout, advanced filters, AMC filter. That is, instead of AMC filter, I can create a new one, projects filter. Yes, I just need to filter trash and status. Yes, that's only things I required. Oh, that means only status, right? Yeah, that is only status. Only status is required, right? Yeah, for the purpose it's only status is required, but it's look weird. I can add some other things too. Suppose project ID. Okay, suppose project ID. Yes, I'm adding some other fields too. Oh, that is not required there. I can actually put it in this. I can add or where. Or where project underscore ID. Yes, this should be sufficient for such kind of things. I can put 1 2 3 4. Yes, it's there. Suppose I type 5, it's not there. Yes, because it's searching with start with. You can change the conditions if you like. So in this I just need status things in this layout, project filter. This filter layout actually exists here, advanced filter. I'm just AMC filter, I'm just taking it and just saving it as new dot blade. Project filter, I'm just saving it. Advanced search filter, title is there, requested URLs, filter by status. Yeah, rest of the things I don't need at this stage, so I'm just removing those things. Status will be active and inactive, there is no change. So filter status is the things by client. Instead of by client, I can put some relevant fields like by projects, because the UI Wix filter project. Yes, here I need a project things, so AMC projects. Yeah, here we write a method called, where is it, model. I'm looking for model. Yes, get projects. This is the things, the project name and ID will be get here, so I can put that functions here to array and filter projects. It will becomes here. Okay, this also I need to add one more place, these things from here. Okay, I just add that to here, and I'm retrieving that as a variable here also, because I have to put some conditions on filter projects. Okay, and I'm just copying existing things. It's filter trashed, not trashed. It's filter projects is greater than 0, and filter projects is greater than 0. I could manage. It's only required one condition, not deleted. It actually the ID, so the where ID equal to project ID. Yes, yes, this is it. I just need to pass this to our conditions. Here also I just need, here also I just need what, filter project. Here few small changes, like it's query and these things are not required. Our ID equal to projects. Yes, now it's look good, I guess. Okay, now we can just check the layout. Yes, we have this thing and these things. Oh, it takes a little weird in design, so it's basically taking 3. Instead of 3 I can put 6. Instead of this I can put 6. Okay, now it's look good. The projects will be here, the project name is here, and the status will be here. Okay, I'm just adding one more thing. This should be 1 1 2 3 4 5 and sample. Also just submitting it. Yes, this one is I'm just putting as inactive for testing the searching purpose, and I'm just searching inactive records. Yeah, only inactive records is getting. Also here I can test with test 4 because the condition is there, that is only test 4 is showing there. Why the ads is not showing there? Because it's only consider the active records. I think the active records is only considering this thing that I have to change, because the actives and inactive concept. Yes, the status, if I uncomment these things, it will load both the things here. Yes, here I can see that, and I can just clear the filter. So this tutorial ends here. You can see how beautifully we created a entire view with all the working functionalities like this. Toolbar is there, advanced search filter is there, and all the features like trash and filters, all the things are done. Thanks for watching our tutorials for Laflux, and you just subscribe our channel for getting more updates on AMC management systems or our custom modules packages. So thanks for watching it.